Hey guys, I am back again and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 versus a Vivo V11, and this phone comes with a MediaTek Helio P60 processor with a 4GB RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 comes with a Exynos 7880 processor with a 4, not 4, comes with a 3GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. I am interested in a RAM measurement as well as the apps opening because A5 2017 is having a €1 phone. And this video is sponsored by Apple Mobile Shop. They have this message: this shop will be very good to buy new and used phones as well. And let's see who is faster there, and you can see Vivo V11 is faster there and A5 2017 is also right behind, so about 2 second difference there. Everything is closed up in the background like always, and no Wi-Fi on both phones. First is the phone dialer and faster on the Vivo V11. Let's launching the settings, and again faster on the Vivo V11 because it has a fast animation. Launching the calculator on both phones, here we go, and this time the A5 2017 is faster there. Launching some games application. First is the Subway Surfer. Guys, you know my Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 is a very good phone. You watch my last speed test video and you can see Vivo V11 is again faster there, launching the Candy Crush. And Vivo V11 is again faster in a second game. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, the basic, and you guys are the judge of the speed test. And just a tiny bit faster on the A5 2017. Let's launching the internet browser on both phones, Vivo internet browser versus a Samsung internet browser. And I have launched the internet browser on both phones. First is the wikipedia.org. Here we go. And you can see A5 2017 is faster there and Vivo V11 is also right behind, and you can see no lag whatsoever on both phones. Next up is the facebook.com. Here we go, and you can see A5 2017 is super duper fast in this website, and Vivo V11 is also right behind, and you can see no lag whatsoever. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement. And 4GB RAM on the Vivo V11 versus the 3GB RAM. First is the phone dialer. And last is the internet browser. And overall I have to say the RAM measurement is absolutely incredible on both phones, but the Vivo V11 it is faster in a RAM apps opening speed because it has a more powerful processor and it is a new phone. And A5 2017 is also very good phone and it is right behind to the Vivo V11. That is a very good sign after 1 year, and I am really impressed by the performance of the Vivo V11. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Vivo V11 versus the A5 2017, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.